Shalom Aleichem. Today we have something on a little bit about the Yalkut Shimoni. Let's take a look at the Yalkut Shimoni right now. Anyway, the Yalkut Shimoni. Let's see. Yalkut Shimoni. The Yalkut means leket. It's like a gathering. Shimoni was the Reb Shimon from Hadarshon mi Frankfurt, Sefer Bamidbar, Mossad Harav Kook, Yerushalayim. That's from the publishing house Mossad Harav Kook from Yerushalayim. Hayalkut Shimoni. Let's see. So Hayalkut Shimoni. Let's get it right. Yalkut Shimoni, the gathering of Shimoni, the Rabbi Shimon Hadarshon mi Frankfurt, Rabbi Shimon Hadarshon of Frankfurt, Ben Hameya Hayud Gimel from the 13th century, Hu Ha'osef HaGadol, V'amalei B'yoter Shel, let's see. Yalkut Shimoni, Shalom Aleichem, once again, the Yalkut Shimoni, the Rabbi Shimon Hadarshon, mi Frankfurt, the Rabbi Shimon Hadarshon from Frankfurt, Ben Hameya Hayud Gimel, He Ha'osef HaGadol, V'yamalei B'yoter Shel Midrashei Chazal, is the great and full compilation of Midrashei Chazal, of the Midrashim, of the different Divrei Torah that the Chazal had learned from the Torah. Aruchim u'mesudorim al pi pesukei hatanach. They're laid out and they're in order according to the pesukim, the pesukim, the verses of the Tanakh. Mechavero hashtamesh, Mechavero hishtamesh b'chol hamekoros hamidrashim shehayu yeduim ad zmano. Mechavero from his what he compiled. Yishtamesh it makes use of Mikol HaMekoros, all of the sources, and Medrashim of the Medrash is also what the Chazal learnt out from the Pesukim and from the Torah. Shehoyu Yuduim, that were not known Adzmano, until his time, Adzmano. In other words, he used the different midrashim that were known until his time, and he was mechaber them, he compiled them, and he put them together, and that's the Yalkut Shimoni. Mehem rabim she'ovdu v'lo higiu li'odenu. There were many of them, she'ovdu, that were lost, v'lo higiu li'odenu, and didn't come to our hands. Behem yaduim lanu, they didn't come to our hands. Behem yaduim lanu, and they are behem yaduim lanu rak mitoch hava osov. They are known to us right now, just because of this sefer here, because of not this sefer, but this the Yalkut Shimoni. This what he did, the sefer that was that this Rabbi Shimon Hadarshon did. Yesh midrashim hamuvoim umitzutatim b'Yalkut shenidfesu mitoch kisvei yad. There are some of the midrashim that are brought in the Yalkut. Shenidbesu mitoch, that were shenidbesu, they were published mitoch kisvei yad, from the manuscripts rak bedoros hu acharonim, from the later generations. V'hanusach shebyalkut hu shoneh, and the v'hanusach shebyalkut hu shoneh, and the nusach, the what was the words, the wording, and the nusach, the way it's put together, shebyalkut, and the Yalkut hu shoneh, it's different. So in other words, this might be the earlier version, and then there was a later version, because after all, the different over the centuries, sometimes changes creep in on different things. V'la'itim ne'eman u'meduyak yoter. Rak b'doros ha'achronim v'yanusach shebyalkut hu shoneh v'la'itim ne'eman excuse me u'meduyak yoter. And so this is the earlier version. So this is more faithful to the earlier version and more exact. Mipe'as mikorosov ho'ashirim v'hekifu harav mishamesh b'Yalkut Shimoni ad hayom otzer hamidrashim. So it's more exact. Mipaas mikorosov, from the different sources, or ashirim, the very rich sources. V'hekifu harav mishamish Yalkut Shimoni, the Rav uses the Yalkut Shimoni ad hayom, until today, otzer hamidrashim, the otzer, the treasury of hamidrashim, of midrashim hashalem, bioter siduro hayail lefi pesukei hamikra, siduro hayail lefi pesukei hamikra, according to the it's compiled according to the pesukei, the mikra of the Torah. When it says mikra, that's the Torah, the mikra. V'derech ha-mechaber lekatzer, and the way of the mechaber, the way of the compiler of Rav Shimon Hadarshon lekatzer, is to make things shorter. Ulahashmit devarim she'ein lahem shaychus yashira lidrasha. Ulahashmit, and to make things shorter, and to not use things that don't have any shaychus, that are not nogeya, that are not appropriate, but don't have an application, a clear application lidrasha, for the drasha. In other words, if it's something that's very valuable but still not applicable to this drasha, so the mechaber does not use it, because he wants to do it in a very clear and very concise way. Hafchu es hayalkut lesefer shimushi. So hafechu es hayalkut lesefer shimushi, kriya umekubel. So he changed the Yalkut to a sefer that one can use very easily to everybody. It's accessible to everybody. It's very easy to read, the Mekubal, and it's acceptable. It's very wonderful. It's acceptable. Umahadur shalanu mivoseses al ksav yad Oxford. And our edition here is based on Al Kisva Yad Oxford, on the manuscript from the Oxford Library, Shehu Kisav Yad Hayachid Hashalem, which is the only known Kisav Yad, the only known manuscript Hashalem, which is complete. Uvi hashva'o lekisva yad chalkiim acherim. And it's comparable to the kisva yad chalkiim, to the different kisva yad, different manuscripts. Chalkiim acherim, the fosim harishonim, and to the original manuscript, the original printing. B'yichud had the fus harishon she'aloniki reish peivov, with the fus Venetia Yachid, it's specifically very close to the fus harishon she'aloniki. That's from she'aloniki reish peivov, with the fus Venetia from Venice. Shincha Vav, Ashona b'miktas b'nuschaos mikudamo. So this is when we talk about the Yalkut Shimoni. That's this. This is the Yalkut Shimoni, and the Sefer B'Midbar. It's on all the Chamisha Chumshei Torah. So this is the version, the printing of the Mosad Rav Kook, Yerushalayim. Let's see if there's anything else on it. One moment. So this is the Yalkut Shimoni. Okay, so we hope to have more on this. One moment, we hope. So we hope to have more on it soon, and on the Yalkut Shimoni, with Hashem's help. Thank you very much. All the different treasures to look at and to try to learn, and most probably it's in English now too these days. And so anyway, Kol Tov, Yeshuos and Refuos, Kol Tov. Thank you.